Hi, it's Marcy. It's almost time to start thinking about Valentine's, so I have my little heart box. I made this a few years ago, and this beautiful crochet, I think you call it filet, little angel that my mother-in-law made. I don't know how long ago. She made lots and lots of these, all different sizes, different designs. I have inherited them all since she passed away a couple weeks before Christmas. And so anyway, I thought, well, we'll just take one out and put it in the video today. So I had a request from one of my subscribers to show the finished wreath that I had been working on. I showed you when I showed you my dryer sheet flowers. It's almost finished. I'm still trying to decide if I should add more strands of pearls. You saw the photo, so you saw the whole thing, but here's the close-up. Some of the pieces, here's the butterflies. These are made with my silhouette. And it's all the dingly parts ribbon here. These are the dryer sheet flowers that I showed you. Sorry, I bumped the camera stand, the phone stand. I'm also looking for just the right little bird to put here. I have different ones, different sizes, but just not convinced yet about which one I should put. This is the wrong color, but I have some in this size. Different color maybe, but I don't know if it is convincing with the size of the holes of the birdhouse, or should I even care? Then I have another size. It's much smaller. And it is kind of convincing with the size of the holes, but it's so tiny, I don't even know if you see it, you know, with the whole wreath. But I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So anyway, we need a little bird and possibly more pearls. I'm thinking about a different size. I have, these are all hand strung on heavy thread. Yeah, the thread that you use for, oh gosh, I think it was embroidery floss. But anyway, you know, 6 strands of embroidery floss. So this is a different size pearls. These are pre-strung, you know, craft ones. So what do you think? How many more strands should I put? And the other question is, should I color them? I can dye these with alcohol inks. Well, these don't cooperate as far as, you know, draping. That's why I hand strung these. They drape so much better. These kind of go every which way. But you can dye anything, because these are basically plastic. You could dye anything plastic with alcohol inks. I use this brand. Hang on, I'll show it to you, but I don't want to accidentally drip anything. Let's move this out of the way. I use these media inks by Pent Art. You mix them with alcohol, and you can dye almost anything. Laces, Oliver Trim's plastic. Okay. Can you see that? I love this one. I made it bigger than the others. It kind of reminds me of a chrysanthemum or one of those dahlia. How do you pronounce that flower? The ones that have the raggedy edges. Not the pointy ones, the raggedy ones. I don't know what that is. So I've been experimenting with alcohol inks, and also I've been making flowers, ruffle flowers, fabric ruffles, and I'm doing kind of a mermaid theme, and I wanted teals and blues and turquoises and purples, all kind of. And so what I did is I took my media ink and I dyed these flat back pearls and other little plastic things with alcohol ink. So I got different size flat back pearls. And I just threw them all into a plastic cup. You know, disposable. And just let them soak. And then I poured out the extra ink and left them in the bottom of the cup. And I let them dry overnight. And I think they turned out really cute. This here, you put another one in the middle. Isn't that cute? So this is my experimenting. And I think these will go really nice with, I have a freebie for you today if you sign up for my newsletter. And if you're already signed up for my newsletter, you will be receiving this when my newsletter goes out over the weekend. So, new subscribers get it immediately. But what happened, and this kind of sort of goes well with it, I think, maybe. Throw some glitter in there. Oh, something stuck to the, oh, this is, well, I should have reprinted that for you. I'll do you a slideshow of the, this is damaged because I was playing with glitter and hot glue, and I messed up my paper. But anyway, I was making these, I had started making a kit, a winter kit, and I just did not get a chance to finish it. So I thought, you know what I'll do, rather than wait till next year, I'll just put these as a freebie for my subscribers, my newsletter subscribers. Come on. Well, whatever. Just ignore this. I'm really a disaster today. So I call it Winter Song because it's a winter theme with snowflakes and whatever, but there's these little birds. They're so cute. I love them. And you have with and without lines. So here's how it looks, okay, without the torn piece. So these are perfect for your winter journals. If you haven't finished them up, you can add these to it. Okay. I'll try to make a full kit for next winter. Sorry guys, I have, well, you know, if you've been following my YouTube channel, you know, my mother-in-law passed away in mid-December. We're selling her house, and a lot of everything has to be moved out. So a lot of her furniture was better than the stuff we had, so we decided, well, we'll give it away or sell it. It doesn't make any sense. If it's better than ours, we'll just take it. So we moved everything into our garage. You know, take it all apart, put it in the garage. Then one piece at a time, take apart what we already have, take it downstairs. if we're going to get rid of it, give it away or whatever, put it in the garage if we're going to use it elsewhere, like in the garage. Then bring up the new piece, put it all together. It's just ridiculous. So a ridiculous amount of work. So I have not had time to be designing or crafting, but I will show you some, here's some pictures of my craft area that I've been organizing. I took advantage of the whole moving things around event, and hubby was very sweet and generous, bought me a new cupboard for my craft supplies. They all don't fit in there, obviously, but a great deal of them do. All of my sewing, almost all of my sewing stuff fits. And then I did this little sewing. Oh, there, it has doors, but we haven't put them on yet because we need our brother. We need hubby's brother-in-law. He's the family furniture expert, so he's helping us, and right now he's in Bologna, so we have to wait for him to come back. And anyway, because we tried get into a big argument and a lot of screaming of both just silly. So we said, you know what, we'll just wait for Alvaro to come back, and he can help us. So that's my cupboard, and then I did this cute little vignette, or little tribute to my, tribute to sewing. There's all my sewing not all, but a lot of sewing notions and several things from my mother-in-law. All of these pieces, all the wood pieces, are from her. The little box at the top, and there's the one at the bottom. It's one of those another one of those little fold out, where the sides pull out, and the little table too. So. And I organize all my laces. Now, if you're organizing your laces and your ribbons, you need any spool cards. I have some freebies, and I link them below, so you can have. Some of these are by other designers, and some of them are mine. So the ones in the photo, but my freebies they're really pretty too, and I think you'll enjoy them. And, so. In February, I'll be taking part in the Love Hop with Penny Whittemore, and she has it in 2 of her groups. And my contribution to the hop is this set of pages for your journaling. Each page is, on one side there's a floral pattern, vintage floral pattern. On the other side is something, a plainer bit where you can do some writing. I have printed on the back my coffee dyed pages. This side, these pages will be free in the groups, in Penny's groups. The coffee dye pages are not free. They're in my shop. I will leave the link below. But you can do your own, whatever you want to put in the back. It says this, and this one, and this one. This is a ledger page. If you can see that very good. It's kind of pale. And a grid sheet. And this one is, I think it was a ledger page or something. There's no lines. But it has, like numbers in the margin. And then this one. So some of them are, the pattern is on the right, and some of them the pattern is on the left. So when you fold them, if you alternate them, okay, so you have the copy die, you alternate them so that like this, okay? But you can have, I mean, you could put it in any order that you want. So if you wanted a whole a facing page layout with all florals, you could have that. You could fold it this way, or if you wanted it, you know, the other way, it'd be like this. So you have lots of writing space. I just wanted to give you options, and what I'll be doing for the hop is a video that shows how I put this all together to make a small journal. I will be incorporating, you know, book pages and other pieces to make a journal, and a single signature journal, simple journal. And I will also be printing them again on cardstock and making tags and ephemera, pockets and whatever. And I'll be showing how you can make your own ephemera, pockets, envelopes, tags, cards, etc. when the kit does not have its own printable ephemera. Okay, so I'll be giving you ideas, showing you how to use, you know, templates that you can either buy. I have a set of templates for making ephemera, or you can use whatever. You can use tags and things that you already have and just trace them. I'll be doing a video to show all of that. So yeah, this is how you can get, here we go, everything's falling down. This is how you can, another way to get more freebies from me is be sure to stop by end of January, beginning of February. I will have all of the info where you can get the freebies. Not only my freebies, but Penny will have freebies, and possibly some other artists and designers will be having for the hop. So you can load up and get all your Valentine's pretty things basically for free. So I think that's everything for today. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.